No, they appear to be kind of spun together a little bit, lightly spun. But it is a lightweight yarn, like a 2-weight. And it does have a very nice striping effect. As you can see, she's wearing the same color on her top there. So it's very pretty. Now, one of these is enough to make a shawl. I have done it before. Now, yeah, it is a super fine number 2. Machine wash on cold, gentle cycle. Do not... Oh, dry flat, sorry. It said do not dry clean. Dry flat. That's my cats. This is 50 acrylic, 50 cotton, 623 yards. Now, like I said, that will make a shawl. One of these will, because I have a tutorial on using Red Heart It's a Wrap, 2 of them. And it only took 1 cake to make both shawls. One I made a rectangular one, and the other one was triangle. And 1 cake made each of them. So I know that'll be enough to make a shawl. And I wanted to get it for this summer, since it's cotton. A cotton blend, and it's such a lightweight yarn. It'll make a beautiful drapey shawl, or even a top or something like that if I decide. But that's it. That's it. That's my yarn haul. I like everything I got. Everything is so cool. Everything was such a good deal. Almost everything. I mean, I had no choice but to pay full price for this, because that's just how much it is. Some places it's just $13.99, so I wanted it, so I had to pay full price for that. But oh my gosh, $7.49 for these. That's a killer deal. I'm going to get more of those. And then the mystery bags, wool mystery bags for $14.99, where you got 4 of these and then 4 of the other balls. Definitely a good deal. And this 5-pack of Herrschners varsity yarn for $8.95. That's another good deal. The feel of it is Red Heart Super Saver, but it's still a really good deal, I think. I mean, yeah, it is. It's a good deal. I was trying to compare it in my head to the cost of Super Saver now. It's like $3.77 a skein. I'd have to get 4 to equal these, I think. Close to 4. Yeah. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. And these, I like these. I like the mystery part of it. Not knowing what you're going to get. I'm not keen on this yellow, but I am going to make something for Mr. Bot out of it. When I do, I'll take a picture and let you guys see it. That yellow's bright, isn't it? And then that was the mystery mohair 5-packs. They're all the same yarn. It's just different colors that I got in each pack. Happy with it. Super happy. I love everything that I got. Man, I just love these so much. These things are so, I don't know, they're so pretty. There's white in, I don't know. I'm going to quit talking about these. But if you guys know what these are, you let me know in the comments, because it's going to drive me crazy until I think of it. And like I said, they could just be messed up millions that no one's ever really going to know what they are. That'll kill me. But if that's true, it's true. I might buy some more. That's a good deal. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope it wasn't too long. Sorry if I talked your head off. I always do when I drink caffeine. But that's it. Happy with everything. Such a good unboxing for me. I'm super excited to get this up on my shelves. And I'm going to make something for Mr. Bot out of that mohair stuff. I'm super excited to get some summer stuff made this year with some of this yarn. Oh, and to make some blue hats for Hat Not Hate. Lion Brand's Hat Not Hate against anti-bullying. That's what I bought a lot of this blue yarn for. So anyways, I'm going to go. I'll quit talking. Remember, if you know what the stuff is, tell me. Tell me. I have to know. Usually I can guess, but stump me. You did it, Herrschners. Rarely can you rarely can a yarn company stump me, but that one did it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.